Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, she's on a roll. 2 videos in 1 week. I can't believe it. But anyway, I wanted to create this spring makeup look. I've had this in mind for a while and I've just been wanting to play with some colors. I've been doing that more on my Instagram. I've been doing a few spring makeup tutorials, but I wanted to do one for YouTube. I think I'm going to edit this one as well and put it on Instagram, but I wanted to do a full tutorial for YouTube and I'm obsessed with how it turned out. I never do looks like this and I just think it's so pretty. I am really excited to show you guys how I created this look. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so as you can see, I'm breaking out very badly on my face. I honestly felt really self-conscious about it that day. So I'm just glad I actually went to put this video up because I was very nervous. So I just applied my Juno & Co. moisturizer. I don't know what, the Moonshine cream, something like that. And then I'm applying my Angel Veil primer from NYX. This is just a really good smoothing primer. Then I'm taking my Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer and applying that to my face and stippling it in. It gives me more coverage that way. Then I'm going to be taking the NYX Born to Glow concealer. I am still testing this guy out. I don't know if I love it or what. Right now I'm kind of in the middle and, you know, we'll just see, but I like the applicator a lot. And yeah, just applying my concealer. Then I'm taking my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Toast, I believe, and contouring with that. I really like this shade. It's kind of a middle neutral tone, so it contours and bronzes my skin at the same time. Then I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder, the translucent powder, and setting my under eyes and the rest of my face with this powder. Then I'm taking the James Charles mini palette and I'm taking this pink shade. I'm not sure of the actual name of it because I don't have my slip anymore, but it's just the super light pink and I'm just buffing that into my crease. This color is so pretty, especially for spring. Then I'm taking this bright orange. It's like a neon orange. It was so pigmented. It was so pretty. Then I'm taking that same pink shade again and just kind of blending that back into the crease because I kind of lost it with that orange shade. Then I'm taking this mid-toned pink shimmer shade, but it has some orange in it as well. It is so pretty. It's definitely one of those shades you have to work with. I needed to apply a lot of setting spray to my brush to kind of get it to the pigment I wanted, and it was still kind of iffy. This is a really pretty, light champagne pinky color, and it's so pretty and very complementary to that other shimmer shade. Then I'm just taking that same pink shade again and just blending that into the crease. Then I'm taking this blue color. This was kind of a last minute thing that I decided to do. So I'm taking this and buffing it along my lower lash line, and I'm also going to take it on my upper lash line as well and almost make like a little bit of a liner. I don't know how I felt about it, but I ended up loving it in the end. And then I'm taking these 2 shimmers and I'm placing this in my inner corner and kind of bringing it up. Allie Glines does this in her videos and it's kind of what she calls like the swoosh. And I'm just, applying that in my inner corners. Then I'm taking this Libbi pencil, which I checked they are okay to also use on your waterline. So I'm just using that as my waterline. I'm not sure of the name of it, but I will make sure to leave that in the description bar below. Then I'm using this Sun Lover bronzer from Catrice. It's one of my favorites, especially in the spring and the summertime, because it has just this most beautiful glow, but it's not shimmery or anything like that. It's just a beautiful sheen. Then I'm taking the Persona Super Blush in the shade Georgia, one of the best blushes I've ever used. I love the Persona formula of the blushes. They're super pigmented, but they have kind of a glow from within type of formula. They're beautiful and I really love them and they stay really well on my skin. Then I'm taking the Scandinavia setting spray. This is new to me. I got it in my FabFitFun box this month and I've been trying it out. And now I'm just taking the Juvia's Place loose highlighter in Clio, something like that, and applying it to my cheekbones. I really like this highlighter. I think it's very pretty. Then I'm taking the BFF Color Pop Lippy Pencil and applying this to my lips. I am overlining just a little bit to kind of, just make my lips a little bit bigger because they're very little, but I really like this lip liner. It's one of my favorites. I feel like it mimics my actual lip color, so it doesn't look too dramatic when I put it on. And then I'm just blending it out. I find that really helps with the natural look of the lip liner, and it makes it look like it's not there. And then I'm taking the L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick in the shade Glossy Fawn, one of my favorites for the springtime. And then I am taking some of this color from the palette and kind of dabbing it on my lips to kind of mimic what the eyes look like, and taking this lighter shimmer shade as well, just on the Cupid's bow and on my bottom lip. And there you guys go. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you love this look. Bye, guys.